Hey YouTube creators, struggling to grow your channel? Today, I'm going to reveal how AI tools can skyrocket your YouTube growth and take your channel to the next level. Imagine this, you're creating awesome content but not getting the traction you deserve. What if I told you that AI could change all that? Let's dive into it. First up, let's talk about the best AI tools for YouTube growth. Tools like ChatGPT can help generate script ideas, saving you tons of brainstorming time. Need killer thumbnails? Canva AI has got you covered. SEO is crucial for discoverability. TubeBuddy and VidIQ are your new best friends for optimizing titles and descriptions. These tools analyze what's trending and help you craft content that gets noticed. Engagement is key. AI tools can help boost audience interaction by suggesting the best times to post and even the most engaging comment prompts. Let's not forget thumbnails. Canva AI can design stunning visuals that grab attention and get those clicks. You don't need to be a graphic designer to make your videos stand out. Content planning and analytics? Pictory.ai can edit your videos and help with planning, so you know what works and what doesn't. Data-driven decisions are game changers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to new heights, these AI tools are your secret weapon. Maximize your reach, increase engagement, and monetize faster than ever. So, what are you waiting for? Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on using AI to grow your digital presence. Let's make your YouTube dreams a reality. Check out the links in the description for my recommended AI tools, a free TubeBuddy trial, and a Pictory.ai tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Useful links, recommended AI tools for creators. TubeBuddy free trial, Pictory.ai tutorial.